Welcome back to Learn German, A1 edition. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Charlie. Episode 38. Let's go.
12 brand new A1 words today. Seat, police, chips, and more.
12 words. I'm ready.
Word 1.
Der Platz. Der Platz.
Is that seat? I've seen der Sitzplatz before. How are they different?
Seat. Der Platz. Masculine. Plural. Plätze. Also, place. Square. Public.
Tut mir leid, der Platz ist besetzt.
I'm sorry, the seat is taken. Seat is taken.
Bitte nehmen Sie Platz.
Please take a seat. Key distinction. Der Platz equals seat/place/public square. 3 meanings. Der Sitzplatz equals specifically a seat.
Der Platz, seat, plural, Plätze. Different from der Sitzplatz.
Platz nehmen equals to sit down. Word 2.
Die Polizei. Die Polizei.
Is that police? I've seen der Polizist before. How are they different?
Police. Die Polizei.
Holen Sie die Polizei.
Get the police. Call the police.
Arbeitet bei der Polizei.
He works for the police. Key distinction. Die Polizei, police, force, organization. Der Polizist, police officer, individual.
Die Polizei, police. Different from der Polizist.
Der Polizist, police officer. Die Polizistin, female officer. Der Notruf, emergency number. 110, German police number. Word 3.
Die Pommes frites. Die Pommes frites.
Is that chips? I've seen der Reis before. How are they different?
Chips. Die Pommes frites. Also, French fries.
Die Kinder essen Hähnchen mit Pommes frites.
The children are eating chicken with chips. Children eat chicken with chips.
Ein Hähnchen mit Pommes bitte.
A chicken with chips, please. Key distinction. Die Pommes frites equals chips/fries. Der Reis equals rice. Common side dish alternatives.
Die Pommes frites, chips. Different from der Reis.
Pommes frites, from French, fried potatoes, are very popular in Germany. Word 4.
Die Post. Die Post.
Is that post office? I've seen der Brief before. How are they different?
Post office. Die Post. Also, mail, post.
Wo ist die Post bitte?
Where is the post office, please? Where is the post office?
Ist Post da?
Is there any mail? Key distinction. Die Post equals post office, place, or mail, letters. Context determines meaning.
Die Post, post office. Different from der Brief.
Der Brief, letter. Die Briefmarke, stamp. Schicken, to send. Der Postbote, postman. Word 5.
Die Postleitzahl. Die Postleitzahl.
Is that postcode? I've seen die Adresse before. How are they different?
Postcode. Die Postleitzahl, feminine. Plural, Postleitzahlen. Also, zip code.
Wie ist Ihre Postleitzahl?
What is your postcode? What is your postcode?
Die Postleitzahl von Berlin ist 1 1 und 5.
The postcode of Berlin is 10115. Key distinction. Die Postleitzahl equals postcode. Die Adresse equals address. Postcode is part of the address.
Die Postleitzahl, postcode. Plural, Postleitzahlen. Different from die Adresse.
German postcodes, PLZ equals Postleitzahl, have 5 digits. Word 6.
Das Praktikum. Das Praktikum.
Is that internship? I've seen die Ausbildung before. How are they different?
Internship. Das Praktikum. Neuter. Plural. Praktika. Also, work placement.
Ich mache ein Praktikum bei Siemens.
I am doing an internship at Siemens. Internship at Siemens.
Das Praktikum dauert 6 Wochen.
The internship lasts 6 weeks. Key distinction. Das Praktikum equals internship/work experience. Die Ausbildung equals apprenticeship/training.
Das Praktikum, internship. Plural, Praktika. Different from die Ausbildung.
Die Ausbildung, Training, Apprenticeship. Der Praktikant, intern. Arbeiten, to work. Die Stelle, Position. Word 7.
Die Praxis. Die Praxis.
Is that doctor's surgery? I've seen das Büro before. How are they different?
Doctor's surgery. Die Praxis, feminine. Plural, Praxen. Also, practice.
Die Praxis ist ab 8 Uhr geöffnet.
The surgery is open from 8 o'clock. Surgery opens at 8.
Wann ist die Praxis geöffnet?
When is the surgery open? Key distinction. Die Praxis equals doctors, lawyers, surgery practice. Das Büro equals office, more general.
Die Praxis, doctor's surgery. Plural, Praxen. Different from das Büro.
Der Arzt, doctor. Der Zahnarzt, dentist. Der Termin, appointment. Die Arztpraxis, doctor's surgery. Word 8.
Der Preis. Der Preis.
Is that price? I've seen de Wert before. How are they different?
Price. Der Preis, masculine. Plural, Preise. Also, prize.
Die Preise sind hoch.
The prices are high. Prices are high.
Wie viel kostet das? Das ist ein guter Preis.
How much does that cost? That is a good price. Key distinction. Der Preis equals price, cost, or prize, award. Same word, context distinguishes.
Der Preis, price. Plural, Preise. Different from der Wert.
Kosten, to cost. Teuer, expensive. Billig, cheap. Der Wert, value. Word 9.
Das Problem. Das Problem.
Is that problem? I've seen die Lösung before. How are they different?
Problem. Das Problem. Neuter. Plural. Probleme. Also, issue.
Mein Problem ist die Sprache.
My problem is the language. My problem is the language.
Kein Problem.
No problem. Key distinction. Das Problem, Problem. Die Lösung, solution. The natural pair.
Das Problem, Problem. Plural, Probleme. Different from die Lösung.
Die Lösung, solution. Lösen, to solve. Problematisch, problematic. Kein Problem. Word 10.
Der Prospekt. Der Prospekt.
Is that brochure? I've seen die Broschüre before. How are they different?
Brochure. Der Prospekt, masculine. Plural, Prospekte. Also, leaflet, prospectus.
Bitte schicken Sie mir einen Prospekt von Ihrem Hotel.
Please send me a brochure of your hotel. Send hotel brochure.
Haben Sie einen Prospekt über die Kurse?
Do you have a brochure about the courses? Key distinction. Der Prospekt equals brochure catalog. Die Broschüre equals brochure. Very similar. Prospekt slightly more commercial.
Der Prospekt, brochure. Plural, Prospekte. Different from die Broschüre.
Die Broschüre, brochure. Schicken, to send. Das Hotel, Hotel. Die Information, Information. Word 11.
Die Prüfung. Die Prüfung.
Is that exam? I've seen der Test before. How are they different?
Exam. Die Prüfung, feminine. Plural, Prüfungen. Also, test.
Die Prüfung ist am Montag um 8 Uhr.
The exam is on Monday at 8 o'clock. Exam on Monday at 8.
Ich lerne für die Prüfung.
I am studying for the exam. Key distinction. Die Prüfung, exam, official test. Der Test, test. Prüfung is more formal, official.
Die Prüfung, exam, plural, Prüfungen, different from der Test.
Der Test, bestehen, to pass. Durchfallen, to fail. Lernen, to study. Die Note, gerade. Word 12.
Pünktlich.
Punctual or on time.
Punctual. Germans value Pünktlichkeit, punctuality, highly.
Der Bus fährt pünktlich um 8 Uhr.
The bus departs punctually at 8 o'clock. Bus on time at 8.
Herr Müller ist immer pünktlich.
Mr. Mueller is always punctual.
Got it. Pünktlich, punctual or on time.
Arriving on time is considered respectful. And that is all 12 words for episode 38.
Der Platz. Die Polizei. Die Pommes frites. Die Post. Die Postleitzahl. Das Praktikum. Die Praxis. Der Preis. Das Problem. Der Prospekt. Die Prüfung. Pünktlich.
11 nouns. Quite a spread. I love this series.
2 things to take away above all else from today. First,
Der Platz.
Platz nehmen equals to sit down. And second,
Pünktlich.
Germans value Pünktlichkeit, punctuality, highly. Arriving on time is considered.
Locked in. See you in episode 39.
See you next time und auf Wiederhören.
Auf Wiederhören.